You have imposed a law that you do not like to talk with the press.
Question, please.
Manager, coach. Yeah. Coach, my coach.
The system, good coaching staff. Our team is behind. So looking forward to tomorrow.
Every game because I participate after that the World Hockey League.
মাইক্রোফোন প্লেস করতে পারেন, টেবিলেও দিতে পারেন, ইচ্ছে করলে সেট করে নিন। We are starting to start the press conference within a few minutes. দুপুর খেলোয়াড় মিস্টার গোলাম গাউস তাদের একটু আপনাদের কাছ থেকে ইন্ট্রোডাকশন বলছে, কোচ এবং অধিনায়ক আপনাদের সামনে উপস্থিত হবেন। আপনাদের I would like to request Mr. Eichmann to say the initial words.
And we prepared as the best we can, and yeah, we are ready.
ম্যাচগুলো খেলে আসলে আলটিমেটলি বাংলাদেশের ইমপ্রুভিং এর জায়গাটা কোথায় এবং এই সিরিজের পরে সম্ভবত বাংলাদেশ
The second match will take place on Friday at 3 p.m. Bangladesh Standard Time with the third.
On behalf of the President of Bangladesh Hockey Federation and all members,
We don't want to give the opportunity to all athletes.
Thank you.
All right, we enjoyed. All right, it's time for the visuals.
To play. Are you ready to win?
উপভোগ করতেছেন কেন যে ঘরের মাঠে খেলা?
না, এরকম কিছু না। আমি সবসময় চাপমুক্ত থাকতেই পছন্দ করি। আর প্রেশার বলতে প্রেশার ওরকম না, ওরা ভালো টিম। আমরা
on behalf of the President of Bangladesh Hockey Federation and all members, we welcome the Asian Hockey Federation and the Pakistan national hockey team to Bangladesh and to the city of Dhaka. As you all know, this is a 3-match playoff series to determine who will be the 6th position owner to qualify for the World Cup qualifier. Bangladesh Hockey Federation is looking forward to have these games, the 3 series games, and we are really looking forward for a good game from both the teams. It has been a long time since we had an international team, another international game taking place in this turf. And we hope that all of you here will be with us throughout the 3 games to give you reports. We are really obliged to Bangladesh Television for being the broadcasters for these 3-match series. It has been some time since hockey has been broadcasted live in our national TV. We are looking forward to it, and we hope the people of the country, those who love hockey and those who watch sports, will ensure it.
Today, on behalf of Asian Hockey Federation, as we officially welcome all of you for the road of World Cup qualifier which held in Dhaka. It is a historical place for me and Asian Hockey Federation that we hold many international events here. Now, this is not just a competition, it is a celebration of spirit of hockey and unity of Asia. Both Pakistan and Bangladesh have proud hockey tradition, such stories and generation of talented hockey players. I would like to take this opportunity to extend my heartfelt Bangladesh appreciation to the Bangladesh Hockey Federation for their efforts to hosting this important qualifier such a very short notice. Their hard work, dedication and hospitality make Bangladesh special home for the Asian hockey. Here I convey message to both team athletes. You are the heart of this event. Play with pride, play with honor, play with sportsmanship and play for your country. and make this event memorable for the hockey fans of Asia. We also extend our gratitude to the officials, coaches, sponsors, and the supporters whose commitment make this event possible. On behalf of Asian Hockey Federation, I wish both teams very best of luck. So you know the conflict between Pakistan and India. It is not good for the sports. We wish sports always have boundaries. We wish in the future we have also tried to participate all Asian hockey teams in India or anywhere in the world, especially in Dhaka or Pakistan, anywhere. We try our best and we follow the IOC charter as well. If Pakistan somehow not participate in the Asia Cup, so it is the problem for the athletes. We always talk about the athletes' welfare. So the welfare of athletes and benefit give the opportunity to all athletes equally. The FIA decided that we have playoff matches series with the 5th ranked team who got either this time is Bangladesh. Even there is any team, it will be there to play their matches.
I'm very happy to be here in Dhaka for the 3 matches series against Bangladesh national team. This is like very important tournament for both of teams to qualify for the World Cup round, and especially I'm like telling about the hospitality, telling about the peoples here. Long time I have been play a lot here, so I hope so this time I'm like looking for the more crowd, also supporting Bangladesh, but need to see the more people like support our team as well. I think we have like a good system, good coaching staff. Our team is behind. So looking forward to tomorrow. Tomorrow is like exciting day for Pakistan hockey.
So first of all, the thanks for the good hospitality in Bangladesh and the good environment and good grounds. Then the series is very important for both teams and give the chance FIH the thanks because of athletes needs equality to the play all the world. So please understand, I think the both match and the series is very important. Then inshallah played the good hockey in Asia. No, he is better asking the Pakistan Hockey Federation. Now coach is here, not only one coach, with the team, the coaching staff. Then I don't deny the talk to press, but our liaison asking me our training videos and pictures. Then I ask our video and the training videos. Then I talk all time with the press. I am happy. Bangladesh, I see in the Asia Cup is a good team. Is already is in the training or fitness. I think is all matches is close to the good hockey and good competition. They're not an easy team.
Very difficult. It's a huge challenge, and it's not an easy one. It's not something we can do simply. I think that not only because of the ranking, but also on the experience. The Pakistani team played recently a lot of matches. They qualified for indirect, but qualified for the Pro League. They did well in other tournaments. So they are in a good spirit. And they have skillful players. I know the players, so I know what they can do. There is one who is seeking my attention. Yes, Ahmad, you are a reasonably good player, so I will accept that. But I already told them, don't beat me with my own tricks, because I coach the guys, they know how I think, they know what I do, what I expect, and what I demand. So they know what they will face, and we know them too, because I know them too, and that makes it interesting. But it's a challenge, a big challenge, and looking at the situation, look at the experience in matches. They recently have more experience, and that makes a big difference because they are able to play, I think, on a higher pace than we used to play. any team has the opportunity to flip the script. And if so, then excitement comes into sports. So that can be moments in the sport, can be during a half, can be in a match, can be in a series. And we sincerely hope that we can do so. But that's our hope and dream from many players, because the senior team would also like to go to a World Cup, just like the juniors. And the juniors made it possible, so why not the seniors?